everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the July 2020 Birchbox. So in today's video, we'll obviously be opening it like I just said, and then I will quickly review the products from last month. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel. I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So Birchbox costs $15 per month for new subscribers. Since I was already subscribed, I got locked into a little bit of a lower price when they increased them months back. So I paid $13 a month. And they do allow customization options. So usually like the 27th or the 28th of the month, you get to customize your box for the following month. So they have several options. You could, well, one, have it be a total surprise so you don't do anything, or two, you can select a sample. They usually have like between 3 to 5 samples to choose from, or you can choose from one of their curated boxes. Usually those curated boxes sell out pretty quick, but they recently sent out an email to all subscribers saying that they're going to have more quantity of that now. And they also said that they're always going to have a clean box version, which I think is great, and also like a favorite box. And then they have other curated boxes sometimes as well. Like some months will be like 4 or 5, but again, those are very popular and go quickly. But hopefully they do keep stock, which I do think that's true because I was able to snag one of the curated boxes. Normally I choose a sample. There are other customization options too. You could just swap out your box and get points to use on their website, which is actually really great. They have sales all the time. So much stuff they sell on their website besides the beauty box. And then you can also choose to swap your box for one full-size item that's featured that month. So yeah, a lot of customization options, so I think that is great. So I will link Birchbox down below, and let's get started. So today we're opening up the clean box for July. Yeah, July. So I get confused about time and months now. So cute box, looks like there's like waves. It's a clean routine. And this was curated with lashes and lemons. Oh, at first I was like, I don't know who that is, but they show the curator right there. Nicole's Clean Beauty Picks. We partnered with Nicole, founder of wellness blog Lashes and Lemons and clean beauty expert, to pick some clean beauty products that have her really excited. Oh, and the card looks different. I wonder if this is just for curated boxes or this is how like the layout's always going to be now. So it doesn't have any pricing information in here, but it does list all the items and a description as well. And then it describes what clean at Birchbox means. So I think that's really great and important they say that, because clean beauty isn't really like a regulated term, or natural beauty, all those words. So it's nice that they define what clean means at Birchbox. So they're all free of parabens, phthalates, sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium laureth sulfate, mineral oil, petrolatum, paraffin, formaldehyde releasing agents, coal tar, oxybenzone, and hydroquinone. Let's get a little sneak peek. Let's start with this product. Looks like this is by BioRace. I feel like I may have gotten a similar mask that I put in a giveaway from them. I don't know. BioRace Pore Purifying Spirulina and Tea Tree. Pore Purifying Spirulina and Tea Tree Clay Mask. Spirulina, am I saying that right? So this is probably not full size. It's 1 ounce. Usually masks are bigger, but like 1 ounce would be the size of like a standard serum, but this is a mask, so I'm guessing this is deluxe size. This clarifies the skin, enhances skin tone, smooth skin. So it's rich in nutrients to help maintain clear, hydrated, and radiant skin. Wow, reduces the appearance of pores. Nice. It is infused with pearl extract to brighten and even out complexion. So you wear this like a standard mask, put it on to clean skin for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse. Oh, I'm kind of curious about this. I've tried other products, like spray products from Coola, but not this one. So I've tried like their spray-on sunscreen. This is their refreshing water mist, but it has sunscreen. So Coola is all about the sunscreen products, but I like that they're coming up with more like innovative ways. So I think something like this is great for when you have to refresh your SPF. So you should be wearing sunscreen every day, which is pretty well known now, but not everyone knows that you're supposed to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. So when you wear makeup, that can be hard, but hopefully like this can work over makeup. Of course, I'll keep you updated and I'll review it next month. So this is SPF 18, so I like over 30, but for reapplication, it's not too bad. So shake well, alcohol free for those curious, so it shouldn't be drying. Let's see what they say on this sheet of paper. So mist away the day with this hydrating and refreshing face mist, completely alcohol-free and infused with aloe, coconut water, and Spectrum 360 SPF 18 to help to keep you protected. Shake well and mist face evenly. Let's do a little spritz to see what it's like. Oh, it seems like it's a pretty fine mist. Yeah, I kind of probably did it too far. I was just afraid, but the mist is really fine. It does smell like sunscreen. I don't mind that, to be honest. Let's move on to the next item. This is by Tinted. I don't think I've heard of this brand. Rosemary 1 Essence. It's calming, antioxidant, moisturizing, and you get 20 milliliters in here. I feel like Birchbox is kind of increasing their sample sizes. Like sometimes, like people complain, like me included, that the samples would be like itty bitty. Like this spray is small, but I don't really mind because it could fit in my bag. The spray, by the way, how much is in here? 10 milliliters. But back to the Tinted toner. This deeply hydrating essence is made from 100% Jeju rosemary extract, a powerful skin toner or skin soother. Use after your cleanser and toner. Apply 3 to 4 drops into your palms and gently press into your skin. Once absorbed, follow with your moisturizer. Essence is probably what I have the least of. I have so much skincare. Like Essence, I probably only have like 3. So I will totally try this. Like Essence is, yeah, like they said, the 3rd step, but not essential. I wouldn't say it's one of the essential skincare steps, but ooh, I kind of just got some on my Apple Watch. It doesn't really have a scent. I just put it in my hand to kind of see, and it feels like it's absorbed right away, and it does make my skin feel like
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
I wasn't talking to you, but thank you. Next up, we have an item from R&Co, the Crown Scalp Scrub. I love scalp scrubs. I feel like I've been talking about this a lot lately, so I am totally happy to try a new one, and I do like R&Co products. So I wash my hair like every 4 to 5 days, and I like to use a scalp scrub before I use my shampoo and conditioner, and I feel like it really does make a difference. Detox, cleanse, and rebalance your scalp with this purifying scrub. Massage into scalp until you feel the exfoliants dissolve, then rinse thoroughly and follow with conditioner. So yeah, you can just use this as your shampoo step. I just do like a double cleanse with my hair, like I do with my face. Oh, I think I've tried this before, or I've had it, but I didn't use it, or I put in a giveaway. But I've heard of this product. Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfecting Exfoliating Treatment. When skin is still damp from cleansing, leave on this facial treatment for 5 minutes before massaging and rinsing off to detoxify and nourish the skin. Use up to 3 times a week. Oh, I like that it's only 5 minutes. That makes it way more doable. Awesome. And then we have extra items, they say. This is extra. This is also by that brand Tinted, which I haven't tried before. Now I get to try more items. And this is like a pack of 4 different toners in their line. The Bubble Toner Pouch. So we have their Calm Down Bubble Toner, Cica Care Bubble Toner, VC Vita Bubble Toner, and Collagen Bubble Toner. And how cute is this? So you get to try out all their toners. It's so cool. And it says Bubble Toner. What does that mean? Does it bubble up? Yeah, because I'm just going to read one of them. Let's do the Cica one. A toner with bubbles of Cica, essential energy that strengthens for healthier skin. Oh, I'll have to let you know. Does it really bubble? Or they're just, I don't know. Have you guys tried this? But that was everything for the box. I'm trying to think, I'm probably the most excited about the Essence, the sunscreen spray, or the water mist, because it does feel comfortable in my skin and didn't leave any droplets, and I think that'll be great to freshen up my SPF when I have makeup on, especially. And the scalp scrub, I love scalp scrubs. Let's see if it has a scent. I mean, I'm assuming it does. Safe to see you. It smells good. But yeah, I don't always use like mud masks. Like I said, I think I've had this before and I gave it away. But it does have spirulina, if I'm saying that word right, so that makes me a little intrigued. But I am interested in this 5-minute mask. Like that seems like something I would definitely try out, maybe even tonight. But yeah, overall I think this was a good month. It was nice to try out a curated box. Like I said, I always usually just choose like a sample and then get the rest as a surprise. I would love to know what you guys got if you get Birchbox. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you for unboxing this with me. But now let's transition into the review of June's products. So I have everything here in front of me. I actually had to grab some from like my shower, my bathroom. So that means good things, right? So the item I probably like the most, I think I might have chosen this as my sample last month, is by Amika, and it's the Flash Instant Shine Hair Mask. And I think if any, I have one use left, but maybe even less. I do really like this. So this is a quick hair mask. It's only for like 1 minute. And the first time I used this, I used it in place of my conditioner, like how I normally use hair masks, and it doesn't say to do otherwise. But I found I didn't really like it as much. I didn't feel like my hair felt as good as normal, like when I got out of the shower after using like a hair mask for 10 minutes. So the next time I used it, I did my Scalp Scrub, shampoo, conditioner, and then this mask, and I really did like it. It smells amazing, like all of the Amika products, and I did feel like it left my hair looking a little bit shinier. And yeah, so if you guys try this, I would recommend trying it with after conditioner if you want. But I don't know, maybe that's just me, that's my preference, but I really like this. And yeah, it's almost empty and it makes me sad. And then we received a full-size tinted lip balm, and I love this. I actually featured this in my most recent favorites video. If you guys missed that, I can link that down below. So Estero is Birchbox's like house brand, and this is a lip balm that's super comfortable, and it has like a light pink tint. So I wear this all the time, like when I'm not filming, I love it. And then we have this little cleanser here. I actually pulled this into my shower just the other day because I finished another one. The Georgette Clinger Honey Cleansing Gel. So I like using gentle cleansers just because I use so many active ingredients in the rest of my skincare. So I was excited to try this out, and yeah, it's fine. I don't think I'll go and like repurchase it when I'm done, which will be probably within a week, but I mean, I don't think I'd really repurchase any cleansers right now because I am good on skincare. I've got a lot. Like earlier today, I just filmed a skincare haul, which you guys would have seen by now. So yeah, I'm good. But I do like it. It's been fine. And then the products I did not use are these travel or mini size like shampoo and conditioner. These are by Navy, and the Search and Rescue Biotin and Vitamin Enriched Fortifying Shampoo and Conditioner. And I think I made a comment in the video. I was like, oh, well, I'll just like wear those when I travel, which is like, I'm not gonna say anymore. Like, I'm not traveling, we all know that, and like, why even talk about that? But yeah, I haven't used these because maybe one day I'll be able to. And I have other shampoo and conditioners, but it looks cute. I'll use it eventually, hopefully, or if I run out of my big shampoos and conditioner, but. And then, oh, there's one item I almost forgot to talk about. It's this little highlight by IBY. It's their Radiant Glow Highlighter in Prosecco. I have this in my inner corner on my face, on my eyes today. I use the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette, of course, and it doesn't really have an inner corner highlight shade. And I realized I had to use this and test it out, and I do like it. I used it on my cheeks yesterday, and it's a good highlight. I really like IBY in general. Like, their eyeshadow formula is good. I like their highlight formula too, and they're affordable, so that was awesome to get it in the box. So overall, I thought it was a good month. I love when we get like full-size items, and this was a favorite. So I love the hair, yeah, pretty much loved everything. Didn't try the shampoo and conditioner, but otherwise I did. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.